Morphe! Yes! Hi you guys! So I'm back with another video, you guys. So today is a unboxing video. Yes, I'm doing an unboxing video, and I have just received some palettes that my friend had sent to me. So I wanted to show you guys what I received in my box. Yes. So if you guys want to see this video, just hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel. Yes, and welcome to my channel. Okay, you guys, so I received multiple palettes from my friend KELL Williamson. She is adorable. If you guys want to, you know, check out her channel, she is awesome. I'm telling you, she's a great supporter, and she always have a lot of giveaways on her channel. Her channel is mostly about makeup, you know, review, palette review, all different types of makeup, beauty in a whole. And also she do collabs and stuff like that, so check out her channel. And also, you guys, if you're a makeup lover, I'm telling you, she is the person you want to be collabing with and staying with. Okay, so with that being said, let me show you guys what I received in the mail. So first, I'm gonna show you guys this cute little box. This is the box, you guys. I received a nice little box. Thank you so much, KELL. It's greatly appreciated. I had opened it, but she actually had everything set properly and everything was just intact. And you know, this is what I really appreciate from her. She really do know how to pack her stuff whenever she sends you something. Alright, you guys, so let's try to dig into this box and see what's up. Okay, I know it's a lot of palettes in here, and I know it's from different brands, and you know, so let's see what's up with these palettes. This is the Ofra. This is how it looks, you guys. This is the Ofra. I actually had the Ofra highlighter that I had received from Ipsy Glam, my Ipsy Glam bag. So this is a baked blush bronzer format Ofra. You guys, if you all had the Ofra, you all would know. Like, I had the highlighter and the Ofra. I'm telling you, I love it, because I never found a highlighter that was really like, but the Ofra.
Yes, but anyway, so this is wonderful. I love it. And it comes with a little mirror in here. This is how it looks, you guys. So this is pretty good. Thanks, KELL. And you know, KELL decided to send me these ones because she was like, oh, these are so nice for your skin tone and it would look beautiful on you. And I was like, thank you so much, girl, for being so considerate. Okay.
Alright, guys, next is the Colourpop. This is how it looks. This is the box, you guys. This is what it came in. It says that it is the Proceed with Pressed Powder Palette Caution.
Alright, so you guys, if y'all watch me if y'all have been following me, y'all know I'm not really a makeup person. I do dolls up here and there, of course, but I'm not really familiarized with all the palettes and stuff, because me, if it left to me, I would head to the dollar store, the nearest drugstore, and buy me a palette, put that on. It doesn't matter the brand at first. But you know, as you use these products, you realize that you have to find something that goes along with your skin, because you can't be all over the place with these products, because it's gonna damage your skin in the long run. So I decided that, and even, you know, with KELL, I love her channel because she did a lot of reviews, and the reviews that she, you know, basically be doing, it kind of like, you know, make me question, like, am I using the right palette? Am I using the right products? Like, I should basically get these products, you know. Her videos really inspire me to get better at, you know, choosing what products I use on my face. So
with that being said, let me try to open this for you guys. Alright, so let me open it. This is how it looks, you guys. That's beautiful. Look at that. It's really beautiful. I like it. Proceed with caution. Alright, so this is where you open it right here. And it comes with a mirror, you guys. has 9 shades. 9 shades, you guys. I'm just opening up the products right now, but I'm gonna try on as soon as I'm finished because I want to decide which palette. Out of all of my palettes, I will choose which one I want to put on. And you know, you guys could grade me from 1 to 10 how I did. I love this color. It has like bright yellow, which is awesome. And this right here, this is the bright colors right here. I have like a palette that I use on a regular basis, but it's like dark colors. And then I have a few bright ones. And you know it's summertime, so you want to have something really like bright, okay?
And the other one that I received, you guys, came in here like this. Alright, so this one looks beautiful. I just love this package. And I love how it looks. Look at that. Look at that right there. Like, you guys, this is beautiful. This is a beautiful... this is so beautiful. I like this. Oh my gosh. Alright, so this is cute. Okay. Alright, so this is Center Stage Pink Rose Cosmetics Spotlight Collection. So this is Pink Rose Collection, you guys. I have to say, I'm not familiar with Pink Rose Collection at all. I really have to Google these because I know it's good stuff because my girl KELL don't use anything but good stuff, okay?
So anyways, let me show you guys how it looks inside. So when you open it, this is how it is. Beautiful. Look at that. It has a little... Let me remove that for a second. I love this! KELL, I love this one really. I like this one so much because just the package, the box and everything was cute. Like, that's just cute. And it has the name, you guys, for each shade. Let me get one of my brush. It has the name for each shade. So it has Flash, Public. You know, it seems like it has some nice bright colors as well, along with other. And this one has like a glitter. Infamy. Look at that one. A nice glitter going on. It has like 2 glitter shade in here. Scandal. Like, I would literally just choose. I'm gonna choose these. When I'm trying it on, I will choose it according to the name, you guys. I'm gonna let you guys know what's up. But we're gonna save that for later. Let me go ahead and open the other one. Put that back in that cute little box right there. Yes. Yes. Colourpop. Look at this one. This is a cute box as well. Golden State of Mind. I know you all heard about this, especially if you're a makeup lover. Like, you be probably knowing all of these palettes right here already, or been through all of these already. Alright, so I'm a newbie, alright? So if I'm so excited and, you know, acting like, you know, this is my first time seeing this, it's because it is my first time. Alright? So I love the fact that it has all the names here. Normally the palettes that I do receive, as I said, is from the dollar store or the drugstore, but it don't have the names for the shades. Like, this is amazing to me, and kind of like, you know, what's up for me. This is how it looks. They don't have a mirror inside, but it's pretty cool. I like the fact that it has bright colors. As I said, that's what I'm looking for, a lot of bright colors for this summer. The summer is almost over, so it really doesn't matter, but this is nice. And it has my this right here. I love putting this on my eyes. If you guys watch my videos, like, I be putting this right here. This is a Zero Clue. But this is a cute, adorable.
Oh my gosh. Can you send me some cute, like, some cute palettes? Like, girl, I'm so grateful. OMG. You guys, I love this. I love this. The Golden State of Mind, you guys. The Golden State of Mind. This is how it looks.
Which one to choose from now? It's like a lot of choices. I really don't know which one to choose from to put on my eyes today. But let us try to get all of them out the box first, okay? This is the last one, you guys. that's the last one. So I'm gonna put the box down here. All right. And this is Morphe. Yes! I know you all heard about Morphe because I've been seeing YouTube pages be flooding with Morphe, okay? Morphe palette. I've been seeing this out there, and I was always curious, so I'm like, this is like, okay, maybe I might try this today. Let me see. Because from apart, oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. All right, you guys, so this is how it looks. And this is how it looks, you guys. So this is the Morphe, you guys. I was always curious of this Morphe palette because I've been seeing reviews and unboxing reviews and stuff on this palette. And also I've seen it on KELL because KELL did a couple reviews on these right here, you guys. So I've seen it, but I never used it, so it's exciting for me to actually have gotten the opportunity to use this. Thanks, KELL. So now that we open all of these, you guys, these are all I received. Let me show you all. Oh yeah, and she also sent me a High Five Super Shock Cheek. This is a blush, you guys. Look at this right here. She added an extra something in there for me. Okay. So you guys, unfortunately, I did choose my palette, but I lost the footage, so I couldn't show you guys how I put my eyeshadows on. I am so sorry, so sorry. But I will show you guys which one I choose from. This one was the one that I picked. I love this one because I love the cuteness of the box. It's just visual description right here. Just this attracted me a lot, so I decided to use this. But the good part about this is I could literally tell you guys, instead of show you all, and show you all what I use.
So I use a little bit of basic under my eyes right there, under the glitter. That's what I use first. I just kind of blend it right there on my eyelids right here. And then I went ahead and used a little bit of public. I put that in the creasing right here. I went across like that and blended in. And I also like blended up. You know, when I got it around here, I blended up. And then I went ahead and used a little bit of glam. The glam has a little bit of shine, which I love. And I put that right up there on both eyes at the top right there. And then I use a little bit of Infinity. Infinity is the glitter that I have on right here. With the Infinity, it's not the jelly type, so it's not like watery. So you would literally have to put a little bit of concealer to let it stick if you want it to, you know, if you want to put a lot on there and you want it to stick easily without having to use so much, you gotta put a little bit of concealer on there, okay?
Well, that's what I use, the concealer. So that's all I did, you guys. So now I'm gonna continue to use another product that was in the box. This is a Colourpop. This is a Super Shock Cheek. This is a blush, I believe. So I'm gonna use a little bit of this blush right here.
So I be going all out, okay? I see with this blush, it has like a little shine going on. I don't know if I'm the only one that can see it. Okay. It smells a little bit like ink, like pen ink. On my cheekbone. A little bit up, like that. Yeah, you guys.
So you guys, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you all watching this unboxing review. Once again, if you are not familiar with KELL Williamson, get familiar with her. Her information is below. Thank you all so much. And once again, these are all that I received along with my Colourpop. You guys, this right here is awesome.
And this is all different brand. As you guys can see, I have the Pink Rose, the Golden State of Mind, the Shayla Colourpop, you know, the Ofra, the Morphe. These are all palettes that I have been always curious of using, so it's kind of like, oh my gosh, like I finally have the opportunity to actually use it.
And so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Once again, the information from KELL Williamson is below. If you guys want to check out her channel, go ahead and do so. With that being said, if you have any comments or opinion, or if you even want me to do another review on one of these palettes, you know, kindly hit me up, leave a comment below and let me know what you think. And if you want me to do another review, let me know, okay? Once again, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and welcome to my channel, okay? And hit that thumbs up if you like this video. With that being said, have a great one. See you guys on my other video. Have a wonderful day.